Hey guys, White Eyes today. Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna play some Stray. If you guys haven't heard about it, seen it, heard about whatever crap, it's about a cat that gets lost and is trying to find his way out to meet up with his friends because he fell, I think, and now he's going with robots to go try and get out from these creepy head crab things from Gmod and all that. So yeah, that's basically the storyline. I haven't played this game, but I'm excited to play this game with you guys. So, put your seatbelts on, buckle up, because this is gonna be a journey. So, we're gonna start a game. Let's do this. Do know a little bit about this game, but I know it's gonna be good with high graphics, so it's gonna be fun. Now, let's listen on to the story. Oh, there's a cat. Oh, there's another cat. Yo, we have quite a selection here. Hey, two's better than three. Hey, three's better than one. Can't argue with that. Oh, and then there's a fourth cat. I'm correct, we play the cat that's right in front of us right now that's just standing up. Let's see. Oh, yep, here I am. Okay. Ooh, cute. Okay. Apparently talk to this, so never mind, we're gonna play with his tail instead, right? That works with me. So cute, actually. If I'm correct, this game did get Game of the Year. I think. Did it? I don't know. I know it was like one of the top contenders because how good this game is. Just because of graphics and it's also realistic with the cats. As a person that has 3 cats, this one makes sense. Oh, okay. Yeah, always get licked, you know. Oh, we're gonna sleep with the homies? Oh, there we go. Perfect. Time to go to sleep, you know. Long day of just staring at rain, you know. Sorry, need to do something really quickly. Sorry, I had to check some. Sorry, fans. Ooh, like, see, this is why I like this game. I have seen clips, but it's just so nice and detailed. They took their time in this game, and it's almost been a year since this game came out. Funny enough, even though I feel like it's been longer than that. Ooh, well, meeting up, huh? You know, watch a sunset. You know, even though there's not sunset. Oh, we're jumping down. Looks like it's adventure time. I wanna know what this reminds me of? The Maze Runner. Ah, inside the wall. Okay. Chapter 1, inside the wall. Okay. But this reminds me of like the Maze Runner. If it was more overgrown, you know. I'm excited for this. And if you guys want to see more of this, there'll probably be more anyway, but hit that thumbs up and comment. What's your favorite part of this? And or if you want to comment, what's a fact about cats? You know, tell me a fact about cats in the comments. Because the fact I know of today is cats are weird, man. Like having 4 cats, it doesn't. The cuter to me. Left alt. Ooh, ooh. There you go. Okay. But yeah, cats are weird, man. I know my other cat, my cat Smash. He attacks the alpha cat, and he gets violent, man. He rips off some fur. Ah, okay. Looks like we got a scratch treat. And I also hate that with cats, you know. furniture's gone, man. Yeah, 1 month and they already destroyed the corner. How long are we gonna have to do that? Oh, I can stop. Okay. I definitely knew that. Yo, wait. Call to my homie, you know. What do we have to, like... Ah, that's where we need to go. Let's go. What's wrong, homie? Oh. See, we're friends. You know, homies always like each other. I saw something. Yeah, okay, never mind. Gotta catch up to the homies. Waddle, 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 waddle. I don't know what the heck was that sound. Oh. Hey, okay. Yeah, the black one decided to go for that. That's cool. Gotta catch up. Yo. We're going to the jungle, man. Like the crap my cat in real life actually came in my room. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back, hopefully. I should be back. Okay, let's do this. Right. Guessing we're gonna have to hop on these. There, that, and that. Or, I guess it would. But how would I get up there? I'm just gonna do this. Man, my cats in my life wouldn't do this. They would be too afraid to jump. I feel like this is not safe. I wouldn't trust that. No. No, this is so sad. It's like Long Live the King from Lion King, man. No! The meow, man, the meow. Man, that's sad. Oh my goodness. Whew. That was a long fall, man. Oh. Oh, I'm limping. That's not good. Oh my goodness, actually. What happened? I think I might have died. No, I just fainted. Okay, never mind. I was trying to see if I could see the cats up there, but looks like I can't. Man, this place is a dump. Power? Hey, at least I got power. That's what matters, you know? Oh, it's that thing that's shaking the boat. Oh, looks like we're back up. We just need a little nap, you know? We're just gonna waddle our way. fish. Gonna go towards the light. Can I just play around with that? Yo, let's go. Paint can mine. Did I just slide? Okay. Gotta go follow those creatures, you know? Perfect timing, you know? Dead City. Okay. What the freak? Hey, okay. Gonna actually be part of this. I'm just gonna jump up here. I'm gonna get over this fence. Or get on the roof, you know? I'm down here. That's me. Just playing soccer. No, those reminds me more of ticks, actually. I take that back. They remind me more of ticks. I hate ticks, man. Just disgusting in real life. This is cool, though. Help. Man, I just want to get back with my homies. I don't care about helping, you know. Oh, me. Oh. Yeah, that's cool. It. Waddle, waddle. Ooh, what's this? What the f... The ground, okay, Where am I supposed to go? Oh, okay, never mind. I'm dumb. I'm not going to that blade. Where do I need to go? Can I just, like, chuck it in there? That's what we call skill. Bye-bye, Pinkin! Man, my cats do this sometimes. Not too much, thankfully, but there's their moments. They mainly do with pens, I found out. We're gonna go all paint cans. Every paint can we see, we're going to take it out. It's gonna be tradition. Where do we go? We need to get over there, so... I literally just jumped down. Oh my goodness, I was expecting that. Wow, okay. All yeah, it says it's definitely different vibes and usual gameplay. I don't know, I kind of just want to play different games, you know. I don't want to play the same old... Yeah, that works out. Same old Minecraft, you know. Or like... I don't know, just other things, you know. I want to explore some more games. So if you have any games in the comments that you want me to try, I'd be down to try them. Print them in the comments, I'd try them. So... Just, there would be, of course, more Minecraft content. Because, why not? The server and all that with the boys, so I'm gonna get more of that. But yeah, I think we're gonna do a good series on this. So you're gonna probably just see a lot of this happening. Oh, there we go. Right? Oh, yeah, we're not gonna can. Frick these cans. Holy crap. I'm baller. Go drink some water, you know? Bucket. Yo, we could go in the bucket. Okay, I had enough there. Right. Run. Gotta get out of here. Sorry, gotta get up there. No, frick. Come back here, boys. Oh. Oh. Howdy. Oh. Well, we were with him in his last moments. Alright, this is not something I want to be part of here, and he get out of here. Oh, okay, I need to jump up on this one. Alright, okay. Travel through this a little bit. Okay. Ooh, cutscene. Oh, found the whole colony. Why are they not running away this time? Oh no, that's not good. Better scram out of here then, huh? Alright, don't we? Okay, I understand the mission. Understand the mission. They can't catch me, man. Woo! Speed. We're little speed here. We're speed demons. I'm out of here. Hey, no, I'm not being part of this, man. Woo! Woo! Gotta get out of here. Okay, now there's an intense fight here. Ish. There you go, made it. Whew. Okay, almost died there a couple times, but don't worry, I'm a professional. Follow me. Okay. Noodles. Oh, no noodles. Break these pots. Where'd you go? Oh. Sorry, I just need to do that quickly. Where did I go? Ah, okay, then I'm guessing there. Parkour. Ah, there you go. There you go. There you go. And there you go. Perfect. What is that? 100% flux. Ah, that's my favorite. My thing. Timber, you know. I get up here. Perfect. That's what I'm talking about. Yo, let's play some basketball. Wiggle wiggle. Okay. That's all I need here. And he scores. Is there a right place I can score? Yeah. Not worth my time. So, fine. That one lives. So far, my first impressions of this, not bad. I like this. I feel like... Yeah, okay. That's what it is. Okay. There we go. Perfect. Oh, space. Or not. Okay, I just go through the chair instead. Okay, that works with me. Where'd I go, sir? Oh. Guessing down here then. Okay. Ah, there you go. Okay, making more progression. That scared me actually. Oh my. Alright, now we have to take this path. Wait. Yeah, up there. Up here. Up here, perfect. And Q. There you go, that's what it is. Did I hurt him a little bit? I think he's fine. There we go, waddle waddle. Up here. Where's that? Easier. Do that. Do that. Do that. Okay. Didn't even need to do that. Just had to do more, you know. How I'm always an overachiever sometimes, you know, in games. I like overachieving. So, feel like tradition, you know, good old nod. What do I do? What do you want me to do? Oh, need to get over here. There you go. Jump up here. I knew I didn't trust that thing. Felt too light to me, you know. Okay, perfect. Ooh. Okay, looks like I'm gonna have to do something, aren't I? Oh. I thought that was a bucket, actually. This is mine. Keeping it. This is my thing. Mine now. I lost it. It's flat. I bet it's pretty flat. So. At least I can... Nope, okay. Got some nice jams, you know. No, I can... I'm done. Need help. Man, we're too good. Oof. Oof. Okay. Ah, that's right, okay. Waddle, waddle, waddle. The frick? I'm guessing we're gonna need plugs. Ah, darn it. I'm gonna need a bar of that from you. Grab one in there. There's something I can borrow in here. There you go. I'm gonna steal that. Yeah. Okay, can't do it. I have something in my mouth. That's fair. Perfect. Making sure we're on the same page, you know. looking around. I need to get up to that one. Alright. There we go, predator. Okay, and then one more. Where would that be? We've been up here. Anything? Peekaboo? Ah, it's right there. Man, I'm blind. Yoink. There we go. Better. And I'm guessing we go up here now. Oh. It changed. It's just looking okay, right? Walla. Hello? Oh! Okay, version that over. What does that do? I don't know what to do with this. Oh, up here. Okay. Stupid. No, frick. Come on. There we go. Better. Yo, transformer, I would say. B12. Oh. That'd be one. Should be 12 or be 1.5? Oh. 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 Yeah, good boy, good boy. See, that's what brings him back to life. You know, you just gotta say good boy, good boy. Right. Alright, I'm free. It worked. I'm free. Thank you. How can I believe the cameras? A cat in the dead city. I can't remember my name. It seems my memory is corrupted. I've been trapped in an electronic network for so long. I know I worked for a scientist who lived here. For now, you can call me B12. Okay, it was B12, not B1.5. That's what it says on my exterior. It's damaging this dead city, but you seem like you know how to handle yourself. Let's get out of here. Follow me. Alright guys, how long has this recording been? Yeah, it's been 30 minutes. So guys, so I'm gonna save it here, guys. Thank you for watching. Oh, the key unlocks the door. I remember that much. Oh, we're not done here yet. Let me get it for that for you. Oh, okay. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Yes. We will continue the series once, later, but yeah, this is the first episode. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And, remember what B12 says: keys. That's all you gotta remember is keys, man. So, thank you for watching, and Wired Ice is out.